Imagine being able to enjoy a weekend camping trip with friends and family, surrounded by nature, without worrying about the lights going out, the fridge not running, or having to rely on an unreliable portable generator that's as loud as a jackhammer. Welcome to the world of clean, silent, and reliable energy with the OSCAL 7200Wh Solar Generator PowerMax 6000. This powerful beast will keep you entertained, connected, and energized anywhere you go. As we all know, traditional generators are a major pain point in our daily lives, especially during natural disasters, power outages, or when taking a trip to a remote wilderness area. Most portable generators are not designed for long periods of use, producing noise that could disturb even the most peaceful surroundings and, more importantly, spewing toxic fumes that can harm our health and the environment. This product stands out as a game changer in the solar generator market. It's designed to meet the ever-growing demand for reliable and clean energy, offering an unprecedented level of performance and features that will make you wonder how you managed without it. Right from the start, you'll notice the sturdy and rugged design of the PowerMax 6000, made from high-quality metal and built with durability in mind. The large, well-spaced LCD display on the front panel showcases vital information about your power consumption, storage, and charging status in real time. The large, easy-to-use interface allows for seamless navigation, making it a breeze to control the device even with limited technical knowledge. This level of user-friendly design ensures that anyone can take advantage of this incredible product, regardless of their technical expertise. Let's dive into the impressive feature set that sets the PowerMax 6000 apart. With a massive 7200 Wh capacity, this device can power your entire family for an entire week, even in the harshest conditions. You can enjoy uninterrupted access to the AC outlets and recharge essential devices such as laptops, tablets, LED TVs, fridges, and even medical equipment with the 120/240 volt 60 Hz AC outlets delivering up to 6,000 W of pure sine wave power, with surge protection up to 9,000 watts, providing you with maximum flexibility when it comes to handling various devices. There are 14 separate 120V or 240V outlets available, allowing multiple family members to charge different devices without competing. This remarkable LiFePO4 battery provides an incredible 3,500+ charge cycles, lasting up to 10 years and outperforming traditional lithium-ion batteries, allowing for years of reliable backup power when it matters most. Furthermore, its built-in DC/AC bidirectional inverter supports DC charging from your car battery, making it an absolute essential for long-distance travel and camping. When used with the 4x400W solar panels, this solar power station can recharge quickly and efficiently from the sun and your home's electrical grid, providing flexibility in how you generate power, reducing carbon footprint and lowering bills. But enough about the theory. Let's put the PowerMax 6000 through its paces. I recently took it on a real-world camping trip to test its performance in the field. The PowerMax 6000 exceeded my expectations at every turn, proving to be an indispensable companion for the trip. I began recharging my phone and tablet using the included USB ports while my family enjoyed some time by the campfire. I then connected my laptop, projector, and sound system using the AC outlets, effortlessly switching between 120V and 240V depending on the need. The PowerMax 6000 performed flawlessly, providing clean power without any flicker or loss of voltage. However, when used with high-power electronics, such as an electric kettle or air conditioner, the battery drains faster, which was to be expected. The 4x400W solar panels I paired with the system struggled to keep up with the high demand during peak sunlight hours, but did an impressive job when partially cloudy skies prevailed. This, however, is not a unique challenge to this device, but a common issue with all solar power systems when dealing with high-watt consumption products. In conclusion, considering both its impressive feature set and exceptional value, the OSCAL 7200Wh Solar Generator PowerMax 6000 stands out as one of the best solar generators available today. Although some minor issues with the high-watt consumption devices and solar panels performance arose, The vast majority of users will not hit these limits. This exceptional product is a solid investment for anyone in need of reliable backup power for their home or off-grid adventures, offering a clean, quiet, and efficient source of energy with unparalleled levels of performance and an affordable price tag to match its quality. If you're looking for a versatile, user-friendly, and long-lasting portable power station for all your electrical needs, the PowerMax 6000 is the perfect solution. Get yours today and join the clean, reliable, and convenient solar-powered revolution that's changing the world.